Today I'd like to introduce our upgraded multifunction cable tester NF8601 to you. It is also upgraded a port flash function based on our old version. Before we measure cable length, please pay attention. Do not measure a cable length less than 10 meters and do not use the remote. Okay? Here I'd like to introduce our receiver as a voltage detector to you. Turn on the device and choose the voltage detector mode and use the receiver to get close to the electric cable. You will hear a sound. That means this is an electric source here. Now I'll display the calibration function before we measure a cable length. Here is a 10 meters network cable. Please pay attention when we measure the cable length. Do not use the remote. Firstly, we need to measure this cable length. This is the 10 meters cable. And we do calibration and save the data to calibrate 1. Load out the data. And start testing this network cable. The result shows this is a 50 meters network cable. Now we are in our cabling room, and I'll show you how to trace cable connected to a switch. Let's choose one cable from the switch and insert the end to RJ45 scan port. Then here we choose the scan function from the menu and turn on the amplifier probe. Choose to scan mode. Let's use the probe to get close to the switch. There is no voice sent out. You can hear a voice, but we cannot confirm which one is the target cable. Then let's adjust the sensitivity and touch the cable one by one. Okay, let me unplug this cable. There is no voice sent out. So we can finally confirm this is the target cable. Here we have a more convenient way to find the target cable. Let me show you our port flash function. Insert the LAN cable to PoE and pin port. Then choose the port flash from the menu. You can see a red circle flashes frequently. And let's observe the LEDs from the switches. You will find one LED flashes different from the other LEDs, but the same as the red circle. Okay. Here we can confirm this port is the right port we are looking for. Here I'd like to show how to hunt electric cable trapped in the wall or underground. The detecting range can be up to 30 centimeters adjustable when cable hunting. users can hunt the cable location trend and track the breakpoint. Here, I'd like to show how to scan electric cable behind a 50 cm wall. Firstly, use the clip and insert it to the RJ11 port. Then, clamp the electric wire accordingly. Here we choose the scan from the menu. Then, use the amplifier probe to locate the cable along the wall. We can hear a continuous tone. If beyond the range, we cannot hear any voice. This is the way to locate the cable location in the wall. Here, I'll demonstrate the pin function. Connect the LAN cable with PoE and pin port. Then choose the pin from the menu. Before we start pin, we have to set up the configure firstly. Let's auto-obtain the local IP. Since the first 3 parts of local IP and default router should be the same, let's check. The local IP is 192.168.0. The default router is the same as local IP. Here we have to adjust the destination IP to be the same as local IP. Then starting pin. As we see the result, the package sent 4, received 4, lost 0. That means this network cable is workable for internet. Then let's come to PoE port. Connect one end of the cable into the PoE and pin port. And another end is connected to the PoE switch. Here, we choose PoE from the menu. The result shows pin 4 and pin 5 provide 50 voltage. So this is the voltage of this network cable.